So if you want to enable the one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy S23, especially if you're using the big one, the S23 Ultra, then here's how to do it. So go to settings, and on the main settings page, scroll down to advanced features, tap on that, and then you should see one-handed mode. Now you can either enable it from here like that, or you can tap on that and enable or disable from up here. Now once you enable it, as you can see, you can enable the one-handed mode via a gesture, and that gesture is simply sliding down from the bottom of the screen. So anytime you're here, you can simply slide down. Let me just hold the phone better. If you slide down, it enables the one-handed mode, and then you have the smaller screen to deal with. Now if you want to, you can move this over to the right hand side in case you want to use your right hand, or if you want to use your left, you can move it left. You can also resize this little window. You can make it smaller, or you can make it slightly bigger. Let me just do that again. So you can adjust the size by making it bigger or smaller like this. Okay. Then also you can move it up if you prefer to hold the phone like this and have your little screen right there. To exit from the one-handed mode, simply tap on any empty space on the screen, and that's going to exit one-handed mode. Now there's one little setting in the one-handed mode settings that you can change, and that is button. And this basically changes the way you initiate the one-handed mode. Now if you choose button instead of using gestures, all you need to do now is double tap on the home button like that, and that's going to initiate the one-handed mode instead of the gesture. So you can choose whether you prefer the gesture or the button. It really is up to you. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.